Oops, made a mess here. Okay, today is going to be multiple projects, as you can see. What I want to do today, I'm basically refreshing the whole house for the new year, changing a lot of things around. I've already done it in the living room and the kitchen, and now I want to kind of revamp the bathroom. I really just want it to feel like a fresh, all white. I feel like it's becoming too much of this and that and doesn't match, and it's all over the place, and not happy with the little tray I made. There's just a lot of things. So you may think I'm crazy, but I have an idea for this, and for that idea I have to paint it white, and so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start painting right now, and there's going to be many projects that I'm going to be doing today to revamp my bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this out. It's going to take a while. And then I shall return and show you my idea for this. So we'll start on this one. And you'll see how the application is just grody. I got this at the 99-cent store, which I shop a lot. And I also got this white rope. And there's a million different ways you can do this. You can, what I'll show you. So I'm going to start winding the rope. I'll show you how to do this. Now the paint doesn't have to be perfect. And that's the good thing about this. You need a starting point, and this unfortunately was not tight at the end, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be covered. Just going to make sure that it's dry. And also with this, when you paint it, you could, if you wanted shabby chic or glam, you could do anything to accomplish that, you'll see. Surprisingly enough.